Boss Hoss Cycles have been building the world's most powerful production motorcycles for 25 years. American Chevrolet V8 engine in a motorcycle. This 350 engine has been upgraded to a 454. Massive horsepower. 454 V8 engine puts out massive horsepower. Awesome upgrades. Brilliant paint and graphics. Chromed out and impeccably clean. Solo seat. Low mileage. Smooth ride, low vibration, and high power. 2002 Boss Hoss. Easy financing available with Chrome Capital Leasing. Greg's Custom Cycles in Clearwater, Florida. No reasonable offer refused, ever.